Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how I prepared these delicious brown sugar bacon wrapped asparagus. They're so yummy and it's the perfect side dish to add to your holiday menu this year. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by cutting out the bottom part of the asparagus. So you want to remove about 1 to 2 inches from the bottom of the asparagus and throw that away. Then wash your asparagus, of course, and I'm going to use paper towel to dry the asparagus and remove any water on them. Next, I'm gonna place them on my baking dish. So I spray my baking dish with some non-stick cooking spray and place the asparagus in there, and then I'm gonna drizzle them with some olive oil. So fully coat them in the olive oil, and next I'm gonna lightly season it with some salt and black pepper. So you want to keep it pretty simple with the seasoning. So only some freshly ground black pepper and salt. Okay, after you season them, you guys are gonna get a plate and place the bacon strips on the plate. So next I'm going to take some freshly ground black pepper and season my bacon with it as well. Alright, so you want to add a little bit of the black pepper on top of the bacon, and next I'm taking my brown sugar, and what I'm going to do is rub the bacon strips with some brown sugar. All right, so basically you can add as much as you want, just don't overdo it with the brown sugar. So for 5 strips, I would say I probably use 1 to 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar. You just want to coat the bacon in the brown sugar. Okay, so it's kind of like you're making candied bacon in a way. So yeah, I just rub it on both sides. So I rub it on the first side, flip it, rub the brown sugar on the other side of the strip of bacon. And next what I'm gonna do is take 1 strip of bacon at a time, and we're gonna wrap the asparagus in the bacon. So I'm doing about 4 to 5 pieces of asparagus in 1 bacon. Okay, if your asparagus is larger than mine and it's more thick, you could do maybe 3 instead of 4 to 5. So this part all depends on you and how much you want to wrap into it. Okay, so yeah, just gonna make small groups of the asparagus wrapped in the candied bacon. And then what we're gonna do, you guys, after you finish wrapping all of them, is take some more brown sugar and just sprinkle it on top of the wrapped bacon. So you just want to sprinkle it on top of the bacon, give it a light pat it down. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees, so you're going to place the wrapped asparagus into your oven, and you're going to bake them for about 20 minutes or so until the bacon gets nice and crispy to your liking, and also the asparagus is cooked. Alright, so once the asparagus is cooked and the bacon gets a little crispy and it's fully cooked, that is it for this very delicious recipe. And it's so simple to make, but the flavors are out of this world, you guys. So I promise you're gonna love it. I feel like it's the perfect side dish to add to your Christmas menu or Thanksgiving. All right, it's a simple side dish, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you give the recipe a try. If you do and you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see my upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.